our Trader Rundown today, Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us. He's ready to ramp up the trading day with us, and always a pleasure to have you on the show, Dan.
Hey, thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me.
So everybody's talking about this Dow 20,000 here. What do you think about the market direction during the holidays? Because we are getting closer to that holiday trading volume.
We are, yes, and you are starting to see the impact. We even saw it last Friday where, markets really started to slow down after the initial opening. So I expect that that's going to be the theme as we roll through this week as well, Angie. So I would, historically though, in these pre-holiday weeks, we do see a tendency for the market to drift higher. And of course, it's coming off the heels of a pretty big run. So we got a little consolidation last week in some of the major averages. They found at least a temporary resting point. So we could see further gains this week.
Is there any economic data that will really catch the eyes of traders this week?
I think that a couple of things, if the numbers are outliers. So we have, I think we have a GDP revision this week. We also have consumer sentiment, and later in the week we have personal income and spending as well. So those are some numbers that could influence the market, given the fact that if they fall farther outside of what the market expects.
And overall, you mentioned that the market is likely to keep going higher, which is interesting because usually we get that big boost at the end. We call it the Santa Claus rally.
Right.
We've had that Santa Claus rally since the election, basically.
We have.
Santa's been very good this year.
Santa's been, yes, very good. Yes, exactly. The market has benefited tremendously post-election. And so, again, the market has historically has a tendency to trend higher during these holiday weeks leading into holidays. If the market's gained significantly. So, there's not a catalyst out there right now that would imply that the market's going to go significantly higher. However, we have seen the market really continue to push forward. And we've seen some of these sectors, particularly when you look at the NASDAQ now starting to play some catch up as well. So the tech sector is starting to support this rally. And so some of the leadership is shifting a little bit, and that could keep the markets moving higher as well.
Thank you, Dan.
Thanks for having me.